Greetings to everyone. I welcome you all to the session of Daily Current Affairs. This is 18th of July 2020. We will discuss some highly important current affairs. Before we begin, I have listed 5 words to boost your vocabulary. So let us get started with the words of the day. The first word is savant, which means a learned person, especially a distinguished scientist. Synonyms are intellectual and scholar here. Antonyms can be ignoramus and fool. Second word is apogee, which means the highest point in the development of something. You can say a climax or culmination also. So synonyms are pinnacle and zenith. Antonyms are nadir and base. Third word is raunchy, which means shabby or grubby or energetically earthy and sexually explicit. Synonyms are bawdy and filthy. Antonyms are clean and decent. Simple antonyms and synonyms are there. The fourth word is cajole, which means persuade someone to do something by sustained coaxing or flattery. Synonyms are flatter and lure. The antonyms are dissuade and repel. The fifth and the last word is covenant, which means an agreement. So synonyms are simply, you can say the obvious synonyms are contract and agreement. Antonyms are refusal and disagreement. So that's all for the words of the day. Let us get started with the questions of the day section. The first question is: recently, Chandrika Prasad Chand Santokhi, an Indian origin former police chief of that country. So, this country lies in South America and he has been elected as its president. So, which country I am talking about? So, the answer is option D, Suriname. So he is an Indian origin, former police chief of Suriname, and his name is Mr. Chandrika Prasad Chand Santokhi. So he has been elected as the new president, and with him being elected as the president, the colonial rule ends in that country, that is Suriname. Okay, our second question is: recently, Union Minister Mansukh Mandavia has flagged off the first trial container ship from Kolkata carrying cargo meant for Agartala that will reach the city Agartala via which city in Bangladesh? So the answer is option A, Chattogram. Chattogram is the official name of Chittagong, that is very famous among us. So this will reach Agartala via Chattogram port of Bangladesh. After reaching Chattogram, the consignment will move to Agartala on Bangladeshi trucks, and this has been done under the agreement on use of two ports, that is Chattogram and Mongla ports, for the movement of India's transit cargo through Bangladesh. Okay, our third question is: recently China and Pakistan have signed an agreement for a hydel power project on the Jhelum River in Sudhoti district of Pakistan occupied Kashmir POK. So what's the capacity of the project in megawatt? The answer is option B, 700 megawatts. So this is a 1.5 billion US dollar project, and this is the second power project under the China Pakistan Economic Corridor, also called CPEC, and the first agreement was the 1100 megawatt Kohala project that was signed on June 23 this year. Our fourth question is: according to the recent Sample Registration Systems SRS estimate released by Registrar General of India, what is India's maternal mortality ratio MMR in 2016 to 18? So the answer is option C, 113. So India's maternal mortality ratio has dropped by 7.4% in 2016-18, but it's still double the SDG target set by World Health Organization. SDG stands for Sustainable Development Goal. So what is maternal mortality ratio here? So it is the number of maternal deaths per 1 lakh live births. Since it is considered rare, deaths of 3 years are pulled together to get an estimate. Okay, our fifth question is: which of the following statements are true about Pragyata guidelines? So I have given three statements here. You have to say which one of the following or more than one is true here. So the first one is: it is prepared by CBSE and CISE is false. Second one is: kindergarten, nursery and preschool are allowed only 30 minutes of screen time is true. The motto of NCERT has been taken from Isha Upanishad is also true. So what's the answer here? The answer is option C, 2 and 3 only. Okay, our sixth question is: according to the report by property consultant Cushman and Wakefield, what is the rank of India in the list of most suitable locations for global manufacturing among 48 countries? Answer is option A, third. So India has been ranked third in the recently published report by Cushman and Wakefield, and this has been in the list of most suitable locations for global manufacturing among 48 countries in terms of what? In terms of two things: cost competitiveness and operating conditions. Okay, our seventh question is Indian Railways first cable stayed rail bridge, Anji Khad Bridge, has been built on which river in Jammu and Kashmir? The answer is option C, Chenab River. So this bridge will connect Katra and Riasi in Jammu and Kashmir. This is a part of the Udhampur Srinagar Baramulla rail link project. The length of this bridge is 473.25 meters. Okay, our eighth question is on which of the following days International Nelson Mandela Day is observed every year all over the world? The answer is option B, 18th of July. So this is celebrated every year on 18th of July. Let me tell you some things, some few facts about Nelson Mandela. He got Nobel Prize in 1993 and Bharat Ratna in 1990. He was the first president of South Africa under the new constitution. Okay, our ninth question is Maharashtra Chief Minister has sought alternative routes for the proposed gauge conversion of a railway line passing through the tiger habitat of the Melghat Tiger Reserve in which district? The answer is option C, Amravati. Okay, our 10th and the last question is in which of the following cities Khadi and Village Industries Commission KVIC has opened the first of its kind footwear training center with the help of Central Footwear Training Institute, Agra? So the answer is option A, Delhi. So this is KVIC CFTI Footwear Training Cum Production Center. This is located at Gandhi Darshan in Rajghat. This will provide a comprehensive 2 months training program to leather artisans for making quality footwear, high quality footwear you can say. So that's all for the session. For Hindi general knowledge questions you can visit Arthidya Academy channel on YouTube. There is the content provided in that channel is very important for major competitive exams, and if this video helped you to raise your awareness about important updates happening around the world, please leave a like on this video, and if you think you need to give any suggestions for us, you can post in the comment section, and please subscribe this channel for daily and important updates on a regular basis. That's all for this session. Thank you very much for listening to me. Have a very bright day ahead.